Does 2-minute belly fat ritual of lean belly breakthrough system work? Lean belly breakthrough system. Introduction. Before going into the details, we would like to tell you some important point about the Lean Belly Breakthrough System 17 Belly Breakthrough Program. That what is actually Lean Belly Breakthrough System and how does it work by using the step-by-step instructions. Basically, Lean Belly Breakthrough is a unique brand program which has created by Bruce Krahn. It has a great ability to help you out people to reduce your belly fat fast, which has been irritating you and embarrassing your personality. You can have great information within this program and feel more confident, looks like at 20 years old. You can find the most valuable knowledge all about the physical fitness and healthy lifestyle from Bruce Krahn. Bruce is one of the best fitness instructor who always live as a fitness trainer because he better knows the importance of the healthy body. He always guide you in the depth of these products. So if you got really stressed with your belly fat, you just need to give us one chance to help you out. Because we have a best technique to help you reducing your belly fat, and this one trick you need to perform every day for 2-minute ritual. It would really work for you. Will not let you down. Because we have launched one of the best belly fat program for you which may give you the wonderful result. If you got frustrated by using the traditional method to lose your weight, then go for it without any kind of fear. One major reason to introduce this program is that half of the world population is struggling to get the lean belly breakthrough, which has become the little bit difficult to have it. You just need to follow our basic instructions which we have mentioned on our wonderful program is called Lean Belly Breakthrough System. 2-minute belly fat ritual of Lean Belly Breakthrough System. In this program, the author Bruce Krahn would like to share you some unique 2-minute fat loss ritual which is quite effective for you. This is not the kind of supplement that you are actually thinking about it. This is a kind of effective exercise and strict dieting plan to burn your fat on instant basis. Lean Belly Breakthrough System is a brand new program which is totally based on the healthy lifestyle and maintaining body fitness wellness. The term of Lean Belly Breakthrough Program is a foundation which was given to his father-in-law by Dr. Heinrich after he got the heart attack, during the middle of his flight over the Europe when it has happened. After that plane did the emergency landing, Dr. Heinrich, some of doctor told that he got the heart attack being the overweight. So after this incident happened in his family, Bruce Krahn had determined to create something special to losing belly fat for the good and healthy lifestyle. Description of Lean Belly Breakthrough System. We have a great ability to design with the two particular version of this course. First one has created for the female version and second one has for the male, but it has a bit different technique to use it for the different gender. Lean Belly Breakthrough Program has a great power to burn your belly fat with the efficient ways. It'll provide you the positive result. It has been particularly created for those people who have more than 30 years old. Some tips to follow Lean Belly Breakthrough System. Before you going to have the Lean Belly Breakthrough Program, you will need to understand the basic techniques of this program, that how and what to do it. We would explain you in the easiest way that Lean Belly Breakthrough Program has a great combination of 9 different components and all component has been connected with each other to deliver the amazing result within the short period. We would also provide you the complete guide of Lean Belly Breakthrough Program which could be able to help you people for burning the belly fat. The best part of it that there is no any kind of hassle or side effect by following the program. It would burn your belly fat by the natural ways. Nowadays you don't need to be worried about your belly fat because we bring you one of the best solution to reduce your weight for the long period. So far we have got a positive feedback from the people. It will not give you the negative effect on your body. Moreover, we'll give you the best assistance to help you people maintaining your health with the efficient ways. We have a special recipes for the diabetes or heart disease patient. It would burn your belly fat 1 inch to 3 inches within a few weeks. We have a complete package for you to get rid your belly fat instant. Lean Belly Breakthrough System packages are here. 1 complete fat loss guide. 2 the diabetes and heart disease recipes. 3 belly fat melting recipes. 4 the fat melting herbs, spices and minerals. 5 one of the best metabolism boosting diet plan. 6 the best guide to use the exact food videos. 7. You will also get the ironclad with 60 days money back guarantee and have a 100% satisfaction as well. Features of Lean Belly Breakthrough System. A. You have a complete 2 months to use and check it out our program. B. During these 60 days, you have to go through the entire process of Lean Belly Breakthrough program and try to understand the full techniques and instructions as much as possible. See if you are not satisfied for any given reason, which means it is not working properly according to your expectation. It's not gonna happen it, but still you are not happy with our program. We'll refund your money. That is why we are giving you the 60 days 100% money back guarantee in order to make you satisfied more. D. Lean Belly Breakthrough will share you the professional tips and tricks to lose the belly fat fast. You can have a professional trainer who has more than 15 years experience to helping you people for losing belly fat. Our Lean Belly Breakthrough program will provide you the positive result at any kind of the stag, whether you are under 30 or over 30. It'll provide you the awesome result according to your expectation. F. By following the proper instructions you'll not confused with this program because whole instruction has been written in a simple language which everyone can be understand easily. Does Lean Belly Breakthrough work? Yeah, it has great features to work for you by reducing down the belly fat instant. It could be very effective for everyone. In addition, part of the daily training section, what you need to do. You just need to finish the daily toxins in your body as much as possible you can, which has been extending your belly fat day by day. That is why throughout the day we put our more focus on this program to helping you people out for losing the belly fat within the shorter period. So we'll try to produce your better hormones that can improve your healthy lifestyle. The best part of it that we have designed the special list of your herb and natural diet plan which could be more effective for you. This program has wonderful result for losing the weight. Instead of following the emergency diet or following the crazy exercise, you just need to provide the great balanced diet plan to stay healthy, not fatty. Instructions. 1. First of all, you'll need to avoid the bad food products like high calories food. 2. Also avoid the high sugar foods which is making difficult to lose your weight. 3. You have to take the proper sleep as well because most of the people do not know the importance of the sleep is great part to burning your fat. 4. You need to get the 60 seconds daily training from the Bruce Krahn in which you will get to learn more about visual stimuli. 5. Keep maintaining your focus to achieve the flat stomach and burn the fat from other areas as well. 6. All recipes are safe and natural. 7. It has a very short and easy exercise tips to reduce your fat. 8. This is one of the best solution for everyone who have a common problem because without the workout is not easy to burn you belly fat fast. 9. We would provide you the tracking pages as well in order to track your progress. 10. It will always give you the real motivation. 11. You should have a more consistency and discipline to achieve your dreams. 12. You can only get program through online store. 13. You can have 60 days money back guarantee which can make you satisfied with us. How to get a lean stomach. As you know that losing the fat midsection of your stomach can be difficult in every century, you can say it's like a fighting with your life. But we have so many ways to get a lean stomach very fast. If you have a dream to get the flat stomach, then read this complete article because we have specially designed it on slim and smart belly fat. Here are some methods to help you out in the efficient ways. 1. Take calories but not too much. Before going to start the following methods, you will need to more focus on your diet plan, that how much calories you actually need it and what kind of foods you have to eat or not. This is one of the major reason to reduce your fat instant. What you need to do with your diet plan, you just need to take lesser than 1000 calories on a daily basis. Then it would be able to reduce your weight approximately 1-2 pounds per week. You need to follow the same diet plan on a consistent basis. After that you can have a wonderful result. 2. Eating more fiber. While you have been reducing down more calories in your diet plan, might be able you would feel some weakness. In this case, you will have to find out the high quantity fiber food which would provide you more energy. So you can have a great lifestyle with high quantity fiber foods like blackberries, flaxseed, oats, legumes, avocados and Brussels sprouts. 3. Protein shakes. Most of the people are well known about the importance of protein shakes is that it has great benefits to all of you. Protein shakes is one of the best and easiest way to get extra protein in your diet plan. As you know that it will boost your body metabolism as much as possible. Because with having a great body metabolism will help you out to burn your fat very fast. That is why it could be very effective for your stomach. 4. Daily basis exercise. Exercise is one of major part of this program because without exercise you can't lose your weight very fast. This is the best solution for you to get the amazing benefits. Therefore, you should put your more focus on daily basis exercise because it'll reduce your belly fat 60 to 70%. So you keep doing 30 minutes walk on daily basis. It'll reduce your weight 1-2 pound on every week. Biblical belly breakthrough. Biblical belly breakthrough is another effective method to reduce your belly fat very fast. The word biblical has been taken from the Bible after studying the couple of years. You just need to add the specific program in your daily routine. It will provide you the great benefits in order to control your weight by following this program. So you don't need to go anywhere to finding out more program because now you can have a great source of this program by reducing the belly fat within few days. Here are some eating tips to follow it. Breakfast. Every day you must have to eat some pieces of bread, fruits and also drink the healthy juice as well because it will provide you enough energy to spend your life more healthy and wellness. Lunch. In the middle of the day you have to start your lunch with some pieces of bread, grain, olives and dry fruits because lunch is one of the most important part of your course so need to put more focus on it. Dinner. During the dinner time you can use some light food like lentils, vegetable and some pieces of breast chicken.